HIZERO recommends conducting a comprehensive water path self-cleaning every 2 weeks if the machine is used frequently. Before using the water channel self-cleaning feature, ensure the machine is correctly positioned on the base. Remove the clean water tank, add clean water, and add HIZERO cleaning solution as needed. Then, insert the tank back into the machine. Switch to Mode 2 for water channel self-cleaning. Cleaning is complete when the machine stops. Empty the dirty water tank. Add clean water to the clean water tank. And reinstall the tank.